Yo, what's going on, party people? We out here with my burrito today. Special burrito made just for me especially. We're gonna get down and we're gonna eat this. Yo, what's up, man? I see you're enjoying a burrito there. I'm gonna enjoy my sandwich. You know. Why do you look sad? You know, I was just walking out of the store and the storekeeper kept telling me that this was a sandwich and not a burrito. But I just... Why does it even matter what that guy says? You know, just made me wonder, what is a burrito anyway? A burrito is whatever you call it. I guess a burrito can be, well, however it's made, or however it looks, or however it feels even. You know, that's a really good question. Like, am I even eating a sandwich right now? What do you think? I don't know. You're just really confident about it. And I guess I'm just not confident like that. You're not? No. Who are you? Who am I? What kind of question is that? Who are you? What do you mean, who am I? I'm you! Does that mean I'm confident then? Yeah? Of course you're confident. I'm confident even without the mask. You know what? And I'm confident too. And I'm gonna eat this burrito. And I'm gonna eat this sandwich.